Test LED using multimeter. Okay, multimeter. Red probe is connected to volt ohm diode port. Another is common port. We take a LED. Long lead is anode. Another is cathode. Positive probe is connected to anode. Common point is connected to cathode. And multimeter knob is changed to ohm mode, and this is a yellow switch is converted to first continuity mode, another is diode mode. Okay, then LED is on. Then multimeter cut-in voltage is show 1.630. Another LED is taken. Then positive probe is connected to anode and common point is connected to cathode. Then LED is glow. 1.705 is cut-in voltage. Okay.